different states. I think it's a nice moment to myself and all PDP supporters across the federation. Thank you.
The timetable. The timetable will soon be available by the National Committee. We have got our own programs, but it has been done by NEC already. So the other side of it is done for, is left for NWC.
It's actually the advice that is received from the committee to reconcile with those that
Political party, and I want the press to correct this impression. The press should correct this impression because we have every issue with the press because you are also the ones igniting this issue because you keep asking Turaki level. Turaki is a member of PDP as of now. He's a member of PDP until he resigns from the party. But there's only one leadership of the party under the leadership of Honorable Abraham Mohammed. And you have seen the NWC have been inaugurated, I want a convention, and that's all. So there's no faction in PDP, and I want press to please take things very serious.
what is the decision?
Again, that's only a party. PDP is only, I don't understand what you mean by being opposition.
I mean, seizing the government policy that are not.
We have what is called PDP, People's Democratic Institute. We don't just go out criticizing the government. We have to do our research and bring out issues that is used to be able to attack a government. We don't just wake up one morning and go to the press and start attacking the government. Our own criticism was issue-based, and we can only do that through our research organization, which is the PDI. Thank you. We have agreed as a party for reconciliation amongst all members of PDP across the country. Two, and also a resolution that will continue to make sure that our e-registration, is being enhanced very well by charging all our state party chairmen and all leaders to go to their respective units and ward to ensure that all members of PDP are registered before the closure of the INEC timetable for registration, which is on May 10th. Again, we are hoping that very soon we are going to, the NEC approved the timetable for the purchase of farms and then, of course, the primaries, which the end of this year will circulate in the near future.
Now, the Turaki-led party.
Chairman has thanked the former Senate President who had made effort to unite almost all the members, leaders, all the critical leaders. They are united them, we are having meetings. And in the next few days, we are going to set a powerful committee, comprising men and women of proven character and integrity to move around by zone to bring people